Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying essentials so the setup won't stall. Check 64-bit CPU, 4 GB plus RAM, 64 GB plus storage, and TPM2. 0. Once done, connect to the internet and plug in power to avoid interruptions during updates. Make sure you have either a Microsoft account or a local admin ready to sign in. This affects sync and app access. Also, create a quick backup of important files and jot down your Wi-Fi password so installation continues smoothly without delays. Now focus on configuration. During OOB, choose your region, keyboard layout, and connect to Wi-Fi, then sign into a Microsoft account or create a local account depending on your privacy preference. Next, set up Windows Hello, PIN, Fingerprint, or Face to speed sign-ins and add security. Once the desktop loads, open Settings and go to Windows Update to install all updates and drivers. This ensures hardware compatibility and patches vulnerabilities. Finally, reboot if prompted so changes take effect and drivers finalize. Finish by personalizing and securing your system. Adjust Start and Taskbar layout, configure Snap layouts for window management, and set default apps to streamline workflows. Then enable BitLocker for drive encryption, ensure Firewall is active, and turn on automatic backups or OneDrive sync to protect data. Create a system restore point so you can roll back changes if needed. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode, try system restore, or use reset this PC to recover without losing critical files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.